What's going on, guys? Let's open the Savage XL. The time has come. So let's do this. My HPI Savage XL. This is gonna be Savage XL August. Look at that beauty, guys. Yeah. Guys, that right there is a big deal for me. Since I saw the Savage XL, the first one, I always wanted one. And I was able to get me this one, the new one, brand new. This is a big deal for me, guys. Guys, there's almost nothing in this box. Just a big old truck. Big old truck and a remote. No trajo nada mira. Nada. El librito en la parte de abajo. Wow. I thought it was gonna be a little cooler. But let's get it out. Alright, here it is, guys. The Savage XL. My brand spanking new Savage XL. This thing is a beast. It looks really, really nice. It looks really nice. We got a front bumper. Oh my god, I'm having a blast, guys. This thing is gonna be ripping soon. Running right, that's the best part. We have the rotor star here. I don't see the little metal piece. Am I missing the metal piece? Is it somewhere? Is it here? Is it here with the remote? Oh, it's right here. It's right here, guys, to start it up. Here he is, guys. My Savage XL. You know what? Let's go out. Let's remove the plastic. Oh, they pinched it with the. Let's get it out real quick. Oh, these things are hard in there. Ooh. These are on there. Let's get the body out. Ah, 5.9. Love the smell of new Nitro RCs. Ah, smells so good. That's weird. This one comes with a 47 tooth spur, and the V1 comes with a 52. Let's see that mesh. Mesh is a little tight. I don't like it. Something feels fun in here. What is it? I don't know. But anyways, I'm still gonna. First thing I'm gonna do is open the transmission, take care of them grove screws, put my high-speed third gear. Those are the main thing right away. All right, guys. Stay tuned, because soon I'll be posting nothing but Savage XL content. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.